proud parents, and of course, G.
मैं पिछले 30 साल से काम कर रहा हूँ पर इतना नर्वस नहीं रहा आज मैं बहुत नर्वस हूँ उसके पहले कि कुछ आंसू निकल जाए थैंक यू
Thank you, Sanjay sir. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you, Mahib ji, for being here and doing this. Of course, now
Oh, I'm obviously, I'm so excited. Like Shania said, we have grown up in PVR. She's grown up in PVR. I'm very nervous. I don't know what to say. Mansi, Varun, Sandy, you guys have made a phenomenal movie. I've seen it, guys. And from the bottom of my heart, it's just beautiful. So, show my baby all the love. You've shown Vikrant in the past. Show my baby now. Show her all the love and your blessings. That's all. Thank you.
What is your idea of love? Because here in this trailer also, as we see your character, she finds it difficult to move on. And in today's time, people keep on moving on from relationships very easily. This character shows that, it takes time to move on from a love which you have found.
Yeah, I mean, for me, I think love is friendship. I think love is all about being friends with that person, and I don't think that I ever define love with someone that you're with as a partner. I feel love is with your family, it's with your friends, it's with your little dog. Love is everything. It's a universal feeling, and it's that one feeling across the world everyone feels and everyone connects to and everyone understands. No matter where you come from, which part of the world you live in, love is a very, very universal feeling. And yes, I think, of course, in our generation, there is this tendency of moving on quicker, and there is this sense of detachment, but I'm not that kind of person. I love the feeling of love. I love love in all ways, and I don't think it's defined with just being with that one person. So, yeah.
यहाँ से निकल के आज मैं 4-5 को आई लव यू बोलने वाला हूँ बाय गॉड नहीं मेरे अंदर बहुत प्यार आ गया सर आओ
हाँ शनाया
नहीं तो यारी दोस्ती में कम
शनाया
वन लास्ट
विक्रांत जी ने कहा मैंने शनाया से बहुत कुछ सीखा ठीक है आपने किससे सीखा
ऑब्वियसली मैंने विक्रांत से बहुत कुछ सीखा है एक्चुअली ये बहुत ही जेनरस एज यूजुअल बन रहे हैं और वो कह रहे हैं कि उन्होंने मुझसे बहुत सीखा बट genuinely, I think one thing I've always said about Vikrant, which I learned from him a lot on set, is that he's a very, very giving actor. I think कभी-कभी आप जब एक scene कर रहे हो या आप एक important moment दिखा रहे हो कैमरा के सामने आप सिर्फ अपने बारे में सोचते हो कभी-कभी अपना line क्या है, costume है, makeup और I think Vikrant has taught me that it's not about just you, it's about a scene as a whole. Or he'll think about the background action, he'll think about that light, he'll think about your lines. आप कैसे feel कर रहे हो? आपको क्या लगता है? Should we do it like this? He's never made me feel that I'm the new actor on set. He's treated me as an equal artist, which I think is I was just very grateful and I'm filled with gratitude that I got this chance कि मैं कैमरा फेस कर सकती हूँ with an actor like Vikrant Massey. I always get very emotional when I say it, but it's true. I think acting एक बहुत ही give and take है, and Vikrant gives the world. So yeah.
Yeah,
that's all we have for you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much.
Guys, lovely trailer. Welcome to the movies, Shania. Finally, good things take time. I have 2 questions. First is to both of you. Will this movie give hope to the many people who are hopeless romantics and are in the city finding love? And second, how tricky was it to have this chemistry while you are blindfolded?
नहीं इसका दोनों का जवाब मेरे ख्याल से शनाया ही दें तो बेहतर है या
Sorry, can you repeat the first question?
Will we reignite lost hope for people in this city or all over the world through this film कि
Yes.
प्यार जिंदा है आज भी something like that, right?
Yes, no, of course. I think that I think our film, more than the grand gestures, it's about the smaller truths. There's a lot of honesty, there's a lot of purity in our film. And like I said, even about my character Sabha, she's very layered, she's very flawed, and I think प्यार आसानी से नहीं मिलता है, time लगता है. और I think in this film, it's shown the real truth. it's not shown it's not shown something that you can't get inspired by. It's the truth of life, it's the truth of finding love, and it's that journey, and you can connect to it. कभी कभी आप एक लव स्टोरी देखते हो, और दैट इज़ ऑल्सो आई हैव ग्रोन अप वॉचिंग दैट, द लार्जर देन लाइफ जेस्टर्स, द एस्पिरेशनल फीलिंग, बट आई थिंक दिस फिल्म हैज़ दैट, but it also has a lot of truth and a lot of heart in it, and a lot of touch of that reality of finding your true love. So definitely, I think you will find your love, and
Yeah,
you
we
will
really
feel
hope.
that inspiration to go find your love. I think, hopefully, fingers crossed now that you all will decide on the 11th of July. And the next question was, yes, of course. I think हम पहले ही बात कर रहे थे जब हम interview, I think we were talking about that as well, कि I think हमारे लिए visual cues as actors is very very important, और वो ही ना हो तो आप कैसे feel करोगे, आप एक दूसरे को कैसे feel करोगे. And I think that's why the prep came into play, and we prepped so much with the blindfold. Vikrant prepped so much with his lenses, and we tried to connect with our other senses, which is touch, feel, hear, understanding your environment without seeing, and trusting each other's energy, because that's all we depended on. But I also feel, I remember जब हम हमारी पहली shot दे रहे थे, which was in the train, and we were talking and we were across from each other. Sometimes as actors, जब आप एक audience के सामने हो, या there's cameras, or there's someone right below you with a thermocol so the light hits your face correctly, you have to try to cut that out, right? So that you can be in the moment and be present with your co-actor. But somewhere Vikrant and I we bonded over the fact that only we are in this world right now, because we are the only two people who can't see. Everyone else sees, everyone knows what's happening except both of us. So there was I think an instant connection, instant trust that we formed on the very first day, which happened very organically.
आपकी किरदार की बात करूं तो किस तरह का किरदार है और क्या कारण है इस फिल्म के जरिए आप डेब्यू कर रही हैं?
कोई कारण स्पेसिफिकली आई थिंक मेरे किरदार को लेकर नहीं है, बट इट वाज अबाउट द फिल्म, द स्टोरी, और जो कहानी है वो बहुत ही खूबसूरत है, और मुझे बहुत सीखने को मिला. जब भी मैं एक स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ती हूँ, फर्स्ट टाइम मैं एक ऑडियंस के तौर पर पढ़ती हूँ, और जब मैं नरेशन के लिए गई, जब मुझे स्क्रिप्ट मिला, और जब मैं ऑडियंस के तौर पर मैं रीड कर रही थी और मैं कहानी को महसूस कर रही थी, समझ रही थी, आई लर्नड अ लॉट. आई थिंक कि हम एक सोसाइटी है, स्पेशली द जनरेशन आई कम फ्रॉम, हम सोशल मीडिया के ऊपर हम इतने सारे जजमेंट्स हैं, ऑलरेडी प्री कंसीव नोशंस होते हैं, और आई थिंक इन दिस फिल्म यू लर्न नॉट टू जज समवन बिफोर यू गेट टू नो देम. Love without your eyes, feel the person, understand the person, get to know the person. And of course, आप सबा के बारे में बात करते हो, I mean, she's my best friend. वो मेरी पहली friend है, पहली, my everything is सबा. I think एक instant connection था जब मैं सबा से मिली, जब मैं सबा के costume में थी, it felt meant to be. और सबा, I think सबसे ज़्यादा स्पेशल चीज़ सबा के बारे में ये है कि समटाइम्स व्हेन यू सी अ फिल्म विच इज़ ऑल्सो ओके, समटाइम्स यू जस्ट सी अ कैरेक्टर, और वो कैरेक्टर खाली डिपिक्ट कर रहा है और खाली दिखा रहा है, बट आई थिंक विद सबा शी हैज़ लेयर्स, देयर इज़ अ लॉट ऑफ फ्लॉज टू हर विच मेक हर ह्यूमन. एक ग्राफ है, एंड आई थिंक दैट ग्राफ एक्साइटेड मी, इंटिमिडेटेड मी, बट आई थिंक एज अ न्यू एक्टर आई वॉन्टेड टू टेक माई फर्स्ट स्टेप विद अ रिस्क, with that intimidating feeling, and with that excitement कि मुझे आप लोगों को दिखाना है कि मैं शायद क्या कर सकती हूँ, fingers crossed, and I think you can only show that with a character and with the opportunity like आँखों की गुस्ताखियाँ, which Sir, Mansi, Varun, Sandy sir have given me, and yeah, now I'm just waiting for you guys to see it, or and you guys to give me that approval and that love.